shoe carnival, so come along. Let's see what they have. I'm looking for a shoe to go on my trip. These are all sandals and stuff. These are all sandals. Looking more close-toe shoe. I have one that's like this already, but let's see what we can find. I think I'm gonna try this one on. I'm gonna try them on, see how I feel. So then I saw these. They're not as cute, but they're much more comfortable than this. Probably gonna go with these. Shout out to the members: Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Heather, Hunter, Sirius S. Virgo from Georgia, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, Miss Nexie, and I am Tracy Lee. Join membership. It starts at 99 cents.